Yes, you got walk out. Any like no walk out.
Can I take you back? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you back? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you back? Like it was the first time, do you remember?
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Y'all, today is the day I'll be showing you how I make my Carnival Monday wear, or my Carnival bras, and that you can actually wear on Tuesdays as well if you're not participating in a band. So yeah, let me show you guys how I get my Carnival bras done. And if you're all interested in how I did this makeup look, make sure to check out my last episode on how to do your Carnival makeup. And yeah, let's get straight into this video. Okay, so the first thing I did was cut out a piece of manageable wire, and now I'm going to bend the wire onto my favorite bra just to get the measurement, and I'm going to leave extra pieces on top of the bra.
I watch you now, you do your thing. Your bumper go left, right, thing right. Want to take it home tonight. Love you now, you do your thing. The bumper all in my face. Why no nobody plays? I want you come in my space, girl. I don't study no.
I'm using a circle design for my bra. As you can tell, my old Carnival bra was a V design, but I'm doing circle because it's the easiest bend. Right, so this is what we have here, and what you want to do now is just make sure it sits well on your body, and you're going to bend it all that you need to bend it, curve it around, shape it, bend it down, let it grip wherever it needs to grip. But you're going to make sure that you're doing all the bending now, because when you're ready to put on your rhinestone, you don't want anything to be popping out of place and all of that tralala. So make sure you bend it however you want to bend it. And mine came out semicircle, because that's most comfortable for me. But yeah, make sure it's perfect before you continue the process. Cut out some strip of cloth because you will need to cover this wire. I had some excess wire, so I'm just bending it here to just get rid of that. Oh, I'm also going to be using a thinner wire to make another loop to secure my bra a little more on my body. And now I'm going to just wrap the two wires together onto the wire bra using these strips. When you get to the center, to reach both wires that touch in there, you're going to wrap around and loop around both of them, and then continue wrapping around the wire. And this is what we have here. This is the end result of me wrapping the wire. This is how it looks.
I don't study no race. I'm moving with your face. Now I'm in first place. So come let me embrace the thing now. Cause I am the bam bam.
So now you're going to get your felt, and you're going to cut out a piece to cover the inner part of the wire bra. That's going to cover your nips.
Come my way, my darling. Make me feel like Stalin. Come and do your thing. That bam bam having melting, just like ice I melting. When you do your thing, that bumper all in my face, wine all over the place. I want you come in my space, girl. I don't study no race. I'm moving with your face. That bam bam in first place. So come let me embrace the thing now. Cause I am the bam 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 nigga. Bam ba digga bam 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 nigga.
You're going to do the same for this fabric as well, and you're going to glue those two together. After that, you're going to actually glue those two fabric onto the wire bra itself to, you know.
Bumper all in my face, wine all over the place. I want you come in my space, girl. I don't study no race. I'm moving with your face. That bam bam in first place. So come let me embrace the thing now. Cause I am the bam 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 digga. Bam ba digga bam 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 digga. Bam ba digga bam.
Once you've finished gluing it and make sure it's nice and secure, you are going to start bedazzling the wire bra. This is how my wire bra is looking, y'all.
Come get a secret, bring that bumper, leave it. I watch you now, you do your thing. Your bumper go left, right, thing right. Want to take it home tonight, loving how you do your thing. That bumper all in my face, wine all over the place. I want you come in my space, girl. I don't study no race. I'm moving with your face.
To complement my wire bra, I just cut a piece of the pink fabric and the plastic fabric to make a choker, and I'm just going to do a quick design on this here, you know, just to make my bra pop a little better. That is all the glue that I have, y'all, so pray for me. I'm not going to buy any more glue. So yeah,
Right here. Give me the thing. Give me the thing. Right here. Give me the thing. Give me the thing. Right here. Give me the thing. Give me the thing. Come my way, my darling. Make me feel like Stalin. Come and do your thing. That bam bam having melting, just like ice I melting. When you do your thing, that bumper all in my face, wine all over the place. I want you come in my space, girl. I don't study no race. I'm moving with your face. That bam bam in first place. So come let me embrace the thing now. Cause I am the bam 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 digga. Bam ba digga bam 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 digga. Bam ba digga bam bam digga. Bam ba digga bam 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 digga. Bam ba digga bam bam digga. Bam ba digga bam 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 digga. Bam ba digga bam bam digga. Bam ba digga bam 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 digga. Bam ba digga bam. Give me the thing. Give me the thing. Right here. Give me the thing. Give me the thing. Right here. Give me the thing. Give me the thing. Right here. Give me the thing. Give me the thing.
right, you all ready to see how everything came out? Here it is.
Yes, baby. Rest your penis. Y'all walk out. Yes, you y'all walk out. Any light now walk out. My baby.
Okay, y'all, so this is the final look of my costume. I hope you guys enjoyed my little tutorial, my DIY on how to make your cute little Monday costume wire bras. Or if you want to jump out Carnival Tuesday with it too, then you go ahead, sis. Go right ahead. But yeah, this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys found it easier to understand how to do, you know, wire banding and all of that good stuff. Y'all, these are not the material you would use because your boobies gonna be swatting out there, but fabric material to this, you know, perfect. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share my video, y'all. Y'all see how your girl looking? Share it because I'm looking cute now. Right? So share my videos with your family and friends. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And I'll see you back for another Carnival Tabanca episode. Bye!